What is the provision relating to determination of place of supply of goods imported into and exported from India? Provision relating to determine place of supply goods imported into or exported from India. That is section 11 of IGST. The place of supply imported into or exported from India is governed by the provision of Section 11 of IGST Act, and it is also cross-border supply of goods. The 11 provisions are place of supply of goods imported into Section 11A of IGST Act. Place of goods are exported from India, Section 11B of IGST Act. The place of supply shall be location of the importer. Okay. Like usually importer where he located. Registered person was to see registered or non-registered. The case of A Limited, registered dealer in Delhi, the imports some goods from China. The goods are imported through sea route at Mumbai port. Find out the supply Dushna. It is section 11A IGST. The place of supply will be location of the importer, not place of delivery. So in the case it will be Delhi, not Mumbai. Place of supply of goods exported from India. Place of supply shall be location of outside India. That's it. Outside India, wherever we take deliver, which means example from India, it is going to China or to Japan, Korea. The place of delivery is the location where it is delivered.